Allah Almighty says, and keep ready for them the strength you can and as many horses as you can, whereby you may put terror in the hearts of those who are enemies of Allah and of yours. Surah Anfal, verse 60. Hazrat Yazid bin Abi Ubaid reports that he heard Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu saying, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by some people belonging to Banu Ismail, a tribe who were practicing archery. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Banu Ismail, practice archery, for your father Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was an archer. Shoot the arrows, and I am with Banu so and so. The reporter says, one group stopped shooting arrows. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what's wrong with you that you do not shoot arrows? They submitted, how can we shoot arrows when you are with the other group? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, shoot the arrows, I am with all of you. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2899.